We're going to look into how the time series database inside Prometheus works. I have changed this project a little bit. We have 3 web servers running, and Prometheus reads the metrics from these 3 web servers. Just to give you a sense how that works, let's look into Prometheus config file. So we have targets set. It reads the data from the 3 different hosts, and these hosts have an endpoint called /metrics. Now we're gonna build this project. Let's build the project. Let's shut down if there is any current instance of Docker Compose running, and let's restart the stack. Let's go to Docker. We'll see this stack just came up 0 seconds ago, and we'll click on Prometheus. We'll execute a command here. The command would be this one, prompt tool, and basically it is looking into the data that is stored in Prometheus server. And if you notice, we have 2 entries for app2, 2 entries for app3, and 1 entry for app1. And if you notice, our scrape interval is 10 seconds, so that is 36 and 46, 36 and 46, 46. 36 and 46, and this is 41. I'll run one more time and we should see more data per app1. So 41, 51, 61. So it is being collected every 10 seconds for each web server. Now let's go query this data from the web UI. So I'll execute this, and then we have 3 entries which have 3 different values. So if I run this one more time, I think the value should match. 115 for app1, 79, actually it's just showing 69, but 79 it is updated, and 112, which is this one. I'll run one more time. 155. I can't keep up. Let's do this one more time. 172, 172, 125, and 189. Okay, so here it is. So you can see that the latest data, you can see the latest data for each series. Now, let's introduce a bug. The bug would be, since we have 3 different series here, we are seeing 3 different values, and the interval is 10 seconds. The bug would be, we'll change this instance value to a single value. So all of this is merged into a single series, and that should give you an intuition of what's happening under the hood. So I'm gonna uncomment this part, and then we are gonna rebuild Docker Compose, and then let's shut down the current stack and let's relaunch the stack. Again, these started 0 seconds ago. I'm gonna go to Prometheus, execute a command. Here is the command, and there is no data yet. Now it is collecting data. Let's wait till 3 rows. Okay, now we have 3 rows. The instance labels values now merge. So basically these 3 are merged. Look at the time interval between them. 77, 78, 83. It's no longer 10 seconds. But if I run one more time, let's look at the top 6 entries. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So these are the top 6 entries. And if you notice, this is 77, we will see 87. 78, we will see 88. And for 98, we should see, 83, we should see 93. So we have the entries coming from 3 different servers, but they are now merged. And if we go here and query, we should see that it's 124, a single entry. And if you notice, there is 124 here and should become 122, 112. So it is going up and down, which is not how a counter works. But this is, since we introduced this bug that we have changed the instance to match all the entries, now we have introduced a bug. The counter is not strictly incrementing. It's 14, 23, 50, then 35, 46. So that's basically what can happen if the instrumentation is not done properly. You will end up overwriting an existing series because different servers are sending the same series to Prometheus. So there needs to be some kind of a distinction between different servers when they are sending data, and the convention is you pass instance label and you have a different value for this instance label.